I recently have been getting into the new Apple TV and the Mac Mini, testing those out to be my like a pseudo smart TV solution for myself. But a small problem I faced was the fact that Apple TV has a remote but with no keyboard, and typing looks something like this. The Mac Mini has a keyboard, but it's by no means elegant and definitely not wife or girlfriend approved with the bulky keyboard and mouse solution. This mini Bluetooth keyboard for around 20 euros might be a solution to this. Since this is tiny, you won't be as fast as with a full-size keyboard, at least at first. But for my purpose at least, I'll be inputting just the movie title into Netflix anyway. And most importantly, it's way more compact and sleek looking. A quick overview of the device. It's got Bluetooth 3.0, a full QWERTY keyboard, complete with media and function keys by the way. A mini can't complain touchpad and left and right mouse buttons, which sound like this. 30-day standby battery, which charges via micro USB, a backlight for those dark movie nights, a really nice touch by the way, and a quite cheap feeling plastic housing. And this thing works basically with everything. So for whom is this thing? Well, if you have an Apple TV and an iPhone, then the Apple TV iOS app is the way to go. Simple. But if you're getting into a standard smart TV or a media consumption computer for the living room, which is also connected to your TV, and you don't want to explain your girlfriend how to use the remote clients like TeamViewer or something other, then this is a pretty good, decent option.